Hello children, once again I am back with a new topic, and that is chapter electricity and circuit. So in this chapter we will again do some very important question that might come in your examination, and they surely help you in your examination. Fine, so without wasting time, let's start the first one. First one is MCQ, multiple choice question. So in the first one, how does the current move? So the first one is, can you see that the current is moving from one side of the cell and from the other side of the cell, which is impossible. Cells from both the ends, current cannot move. Current always move from the positive side and it will go towards negative side. This is called the flow of current. Come to the second option. In the second option we can see that from the positive side, the top side is positive, but the current is moving towards the bulb and it is coming again towards the cell. So this is the correct movement of electric current. So my answer B is correct. Let's come to the next one. In the next one, the current is coming from negative to positive, which is again a wrong one. Come to the fourth one. In the fourth one, bulb is giving current to the cell, which is absolutely wrong. So my correct answer is answer number B. Always remember children that the current always flow from positive terminal towards negative terminal. And in a cell, where is the positive terminal? So when you draw a cell children, on the top, this, can you see this metal plate? This is the positive terminal, and the metal disc down one, this is the negative terminal. Remember that. Okay, so in this way you can do this question. That's very easy one, but it's very important once again. Now come to the next. Choose the incorrect statement. You need to find out which one statement is incorrect. So let's read the first one. The switch is a source of electric current. How come a switch never be a source of electric current? So first is wrong. Next one, electric switch or a switch help to complete or break the circuit. This is correct. When you put a switch in your circuit, it tells you whether you can break the circuit or you can complete the circuit. For example, suppose you are sitting in a room and your fan is on. When you leave the room, you turn the light, or you turn off the light, or you turn off the fan. So basically what you are doing, you are opening a circuit by turning off the switch. Fine. So switch basically controls the circuit. When the circuit breaks, then current will not flow, and it seems that your fan is turned off or your bulb is turned off. So switch, the function of switch is to control the circuit or control the flow of current in the circuit. Okay, I hope it is clear. Next one. A switch helps us to use electricity as per our requirement. So this statement is correct. When you turn off switch and you turn on switch. Next, when the switch is open, there is a gap. Yes, there is always a gap. Open means open circuit. So here they are asking the incorrect one. So the correct answer is B. Okay. Now come to the next one. In the electric bulb, light is produced due to the glowing out. Now you might have seen the bulb. Bulb कैसा होता है? ऐसा bulb होता है बेटा. हाँ, and there is a filament inside that. We all know that. Light is produced by the glowing of. What glows actually? ग्लो क्या करता है भाई? दिस फिलामेंट जो है ये बर्न होता है. वी ऑल नो दैट दिस फिलामेंट बर्न्स. बट हाउ दीज बल्ब ग्लो? सो बाय द ग्लास हेल्प्स इन ग्लोइंग? नो, द फर्स्ट आंसर इज रॉन्ग. नेक्स्ट, द थिन फिलामेंट. नो, थिन फिलामेंट जो होता है बेटा इसके अंदर, दिस इज अ थिन फिलामेंट इनसाइड इट. This basically burns. This only basically burns. This shows that your fuse is working okay. Now, a thick wire. No, that is not. A gas inside the bulb. That is the correct answer. So, answer number is 4. Or answer number is D. Your correct answer is D. Why your bulb glows? Bulb glows. चमकते क्यों हैं? Fine. वो क्यों चमकते हैं? Because of the gas. And can you tell me which gas? The gas name is argon. Fine. So argon gas is filled in your bulb. In the following arrangement, this shows that the bulb will not glow. Now bulb is not glowing. So there is a gap between A and B. Now what you put in between A and B if the ends A and B are connected? अब A और B को you need to connect. And when you connect, the bulb will glow. But what we want, that bulb will not glow. Fine, तो हम क्या लगाएंगे? We need to put a steel spoon? No. Spoon is a good conductor of electricity. Next, metal clip? No. Metals are always a good conductor of electricity. Just like copper wiring आपके घर में है. Copper, silver, gold, they all are good, very good conductors of electricity. Next, plastic clip. Very correct. Plastic and rubber, these are the bad conductor of electricity. So here we can put a plastic clip. If we put a plastic clip here, then the bulb will not glow. Either plastic also you can put, bacho, or in place of plastic, if it is not there, so you can also put rubber. Rubber is also a bad conductor of electricity. Rubber is also a bad conductor of electricity. One more thing, children, you can also put a piece of wood. Wood is also a bad conductor of electricity. Fine. So in between A to B, so in between which are A to B, you can put here a pin only. A pin. You can put here a pin. Okay. A pin which is made by plastic. So my correct answer is C. Okay. Next one. In the circuit shown in the right side, when the switch is moved to on position, what will happen? Can you see the circuit? 3 bulbs are connected and 3 cells are there. Acha, one more question. Can you tell me these are cells or battery? It is known as battery. Battery means when 2 cells are connected, 2 or more cells, it is called battery. So in the circuit shown here, the right, when switch is moved to on position, abhi can you tell me in which position it is? It is off. See, this is switch and this is off position. When the switch is moved to on position, the bulb A will glow first, the bulb B will glow first, the C will go first. All the bulbs, ऐसा होता है ना, अगर आप अपने कमरे की लाइट ऑन करते हैं and all are connected to your one switch, तो सारे स्विच जल जाते हैं. Fine. So my correct answer is D. All will glow together. Now next one. Short answer question. Short answer means again you need to write hardly a single line. What is switch on and switch off of a circuit? What is on and off? So on means the circuit is complete. On means a circuit is complete and the current will flow. Whereas off means circuit is incomplete and the bulb will not glow. Fine. Let's see the answer of this one. See, when the switch is in off position, the circuit is open and the current does not flow. That means it is off. Whereas when it is in on position, the circuit is closed. The circuit is closed and the current will flow. Okay. Let's make this diagram of switch on. Suppose I am making switch on. So here I have made a bulb. This is my bulb and this is my wire. And now I am drawing one cell. You know that one is positive, one is negative. तो एक को बड़ा बनाएंगे, एक को छोटा बनाएंगे. And my circuit is in on position. So this is my switch and my switch is on. When a circuit is on position, bulb will glow. Fine. This is on position. Fine. So on means circuit is complete. Now let's make a off position. Now in the off position again I am making a bulb. The first is bulb and then I am going to make one cell. So cell has one positive terminal, one negative terminal. This is a symbol of a cell, bacho. This is a symbol of a cell. Positive and negative. Okay. Next one. Now I am going to make it off position. So see, Can you see that? What is this symbolize? This symbolize switch. This symbolize switch. So it is in off position. Fine. I hope it is clear and you have drawn it well. Okay. Next one. When is bulb said to be fused? आपका bulb fuse कब होता है बेटा? See, this is your bulb, है ना? When it is said to be fused, when this filament, there is a filament inside the bulb, yes or no? When this filament is broken, bulb is said to be fused. Okay? When the filament, what is filament? Filament is a small wire that connects positive end and negative end. Fine? So when the small filament is broken, bulb is said to be fused. Done? Next. What do you mean? What is an electric circuit? So what is circuit? Circuit क्या होता है? Circuit, electric circuit is a path. Electric circuit is a path. It is a path on which current flows. Okay, so what is an electric circuit? In short, in very short, it is a complete path on which the current flows. I hope it is clear. Next one. What do you mean by closed and open circuit? So this is again a very easy one. So closed circuit means, closed circuit is a circuit in which there is no gap. There is no gap. See, in this one there is no gap. Can you see any gap? This I have made. What is this? This is switch. Switch is on. On means no gap. See, all the wiring closed. Here it is plus, here it is minus, and my bulb will glow. So this is known as closed circuit. Closed circuit is a circuit in which there is no gap in the circuit and the bulb glows. Whereas what is an open circuit? Open circuit is a circuit in which there is a gap. Suppose your bulb hai and there is a gap here, and here you have your cells. See, can you see here a gap? Suppose यहाँ पे your switch is there and there is a gap. So when gap is there, then bulb will not glow. So open circuit is a circuit in which either there is a gap or a circuit is broken. Then also it is also called open circuit. Done? Next, what do you mean by conductors? Conductors are those materials, bachcho. I have made very beautiful activity on conductors, जिसमें I have used spoon and copper wire and iron nail, and I have shown you how bulb glows when they put in the circuit. If you have not seen, link I will give in the chat box. You can check it there and you can watch that activity. Rather, you can perform that activity in your home. So conductors are those materials that can pass electric current. For example, in your home, wiring is of copper metal. So copper is an conductor. All the metals, for example, your utensil, iron, copper, nickel, they all pass electric current. So they all are conductors. Whereas plastic, wood, rubber, they cannot pass electric current. So they are insulators. I hope it is clear. Okay. Now answer also given here. Materials that allow electricity to pass through them, they are called conductors. Fine. So if you want to write down the answer, you can copy it here and you can do it. Or you can pause the video here. You can note down all the answers and you can revise well. Okay. Come to the next one. Now come to the diagrams. First one, very important. This is your metal cap. This is a diagram of a cell, a typical cell, pencil lead, very common. It has a metal cap and it has a metal disc. Always remember, metal cap is positive, metal disc is negative. If you want to draw, please draw from this video. Fine. And it is mentioned here, it is a positive terminal and it is a negative terminal. Can you tell me? Question for you. One question for you, everyone. Can you tell me what is filled inside this cell? What is filled inside this cell? Okay, chalo. Done. I hope you have drawn. This question is for you. What is filled inside this cell? Now the next one. What is an open and closed circuit? So for that, let's see the next one. This circuit, can you see that? This is known as open circuit. Why? Because this circuit, can you see that inside between there is no dot? Dot means the bulb, dot means that the switch is on. Now in this case, switch is off. When the switch is off, circuit is incomplete. When the circuit is incomplete, there is a gap. And when there is a gap, bulb is not glowing. Whereas in the next case, see, what is this? Can you tell me? What is this? This is called battery, bacho. This is battery. See, this is very important. Okay. When there are two lines, fine, only two lines in a circuit, fine, one is positive and other is negative. Fine, so this is called cell because one cell has one positive side and one negative side. But children, when a cell is like this, one positive, then a small, then one positive, then a small, one positive, then a small. So this shows that it is a battery because battery is a combination of cells. Now can you tell me how many cells are there in this? So just see, one cell means 1 plus and 1 minus. Then the other cell means 1 plus and 1 minus. So in this case, how many cells are there? 2 cells. Okay? Clear? Clear open and closed circuit? Very good. Can you see the bulb? This bulb is a fused bulb. What is broken here? What we call this one? Please write down. This is known as filament. And this small filament is supported by these two thick wires. So children, I hope it is clear to you and you have done all the questions with me. Thank you for watching, children.